Hello, and welcome to this new video on Python concurrency, multithreading and multiprocessing. Let's begin by understanding the difference between multithreading and multiprocessing. Multithreading is for running multiple threads within a single process. Multiprocessing is for running multiple processes, each with its own Python interpreter and memory space. We will start with multithreading. Here's an example of a multithreading program in Python. In this example, we import the threading module, create two functions, thread function and main function, and then create two threads to run these functions. Finally, we start and join the threads. You can see the code on the screen. Now, let's move to multiprocessing. We can see an example of a multiprocessing program in Python. In this example, we import the multiprocessing module, create two functions, process function and main function, and then create two processes to run these functions. Finally, we start and join the processes. You can see the code on the screen. In conclusion, both multithreading and multiprocessing can be used to manage concurrency in Python. The choice between them depends on the specific problem you are trying to solve and the resources available. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.